everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's vlog, I'm going to the beach with my boyfriend and I'm so excited. We've been wanting to go to the beach for so long, but like never had the chance to just because we've been so busy. And finally we get to go and I'm just super excited. And I want to vlog today because I think it'll just be super sweet to just have for memories and because I want to make a video about it. So yeah, I'm super excited and I want to show you guys what I'm wearing. So yeah, let me stand and show you guys. So for my outfit, I just have my hair in a low bun. Didn't really feel like doing it. And then this hair scarf is from Madewell. I wear this all the time. It's like my favorite hair scarf ever. And then just some gold jewelry. This swimsuit is actually from Shein. I think it's super cute. I love how it's like high-waisted. And then this cardigan, I'm not really sure where this is from. It used to be my sister's. So if I figure out where it's from, then I'll just put it up on the screen. And then these shorts are from Old Navy, and yeah, they're super cute. They're high rise, and you can also like put them down if you want, but I just rolled them up. And then this bag I'm obsessed with. I went shopping with my friend yesterday and she was like, oh my gosh, you need to get this. And I was like, yes. And it was on clearance for like $11. So I got this from Kirkland's and yeah, I just think it's really, really cute. Also gonna bring this backpack. I bring this backpack literally like everywhere. It's so cute. And this is from Target. And so I just put just like a phone charger and then a sweater and like jeans in case it's actually like really cold. But hopefully it'll all be good. It says it's sunny, but it's in the 60s, so we'll just have to see. But yeah, and now I'm gonna go pack some food.
Oh yeah, that's not mine.
Take it easy.
Did you run out of storage?
No.
Did it overheat?
Well, I'm in the middle of it.
Okay, go ahead.
Go ahead. You're praying for me.
No, you're praying for the trip.
You're praying for me. Okay. Dear God, I pray that we have a safe drive.
Amen.
Okay, it's gonna stay.
It's not.
Look at it. Can you get it? Water.
I think it's a lake.
Lake.
Your destination is on the right.